When night falls and the lights in thousands of households are lit one after another, have you ever thought about the core force that supports the operation of modern civilization? In this era driven by electricity, an innovative force originated from China is redefining the boundaries of energy transmission. Cylon Electric Industry Group, with over 2 decades of professional accumulation, is committed to creating greater value for every kilowatt-hour of electricity and contributing wisdom and strength to the development of the global energy industry. In this modern industrial park, Cylon has established a complete R&D and manufacturing system. Our team has gathered outstanding talents in the industry and established a full-process business architecture covering electrical design, R&D innovation, and lean manufacturing. Here, every link embodies the unwavering pursuit of outstanding quality, and every process reflects the professional and dedicated spirit of craftsmanship. Now let's delve into Cylon's smart manufacturing space. Here, automated production lines are collaborating precisely, and every process is executed precisely under the empowerment of digital technology. The electrostatic spraying technology we adopt provides the products with a long-lasting and reliable protective coat. In the real-time monitoring center, the big data screen is flashing various production parameters, achieving full process visual control of each production link. This manufacturing concept that deeply integrates traditional craftsmanship with modern technology is precisely the solid guarantee for the outstanding quality of Cylon products, and also the cornerstone for us to win the trust of global customers. Our products embody multiple technological innovations. Adopting high-quality conductive materials significantly enhances the efficiency of power transmission. The special insulation system builds a reliable safety barrier, ensuring stable operation under various working conditions. The innovative fully enclosed structure design effectively enhances the protective capability of the product. The unique dual grounding system provides multiple guarantees for electrical safety. From modern industrial manufacturing bases to the new energy vehicle industry, from innovative science and technology parks to bustling commercial centers, Cylon's products are playing a key role in numerous important fields. We have witnessed the successful implementation of each project and shared the development achievements of our partners. This enduring trust and cooperation is not only the best proof of Cylon's strength, but also the driving force for our continuous progress. Let's join hands and work together to create a brighter energy future. Cylon Electric, professional innovation, win-win future.